Hello guys, welcome to another lecture. In the previous and current sections, you learned about control flow. Now you can use this knowledge to write simple programs. However, it's important to note that when you write these programs, you may not always get the desired answer. In other words, you might encounter bugs or logical errors. These errors can happen at any stage of programming. Okay, in this lecture we're gonna discuss logical errors, their causes and the reasons behind them. Logical errors, also known as bugs, are common occurrences in software development that can cause unexpected results or incorrect behavior. They happen when a program's logic or reasoning is flawed. Unlike compiler errors that prevent code from compiling, logical errors allow programs to run but produce incorrect results. They can be frustrating to identify as they do not generate error messages during compilation. A key skill for programmers is to write code that doesn't have these errors or to fix them when they happen. Okay, logical errors can have various causes, but the most important ones are misunderstandings of requirements and human errors. If developers don't fully understand the program, it can lead developers to implement incorrect logic in their solutions. For example, let's consider a development team creating a program to calculate the total price of an order in an online shopping system. One developer misunderstands the requirement and assumes that the program should add the quantity and price of each item to calculate the total price. Because of an incomplete understanding of the program, this developer mistakenly introduces a logical error. As you can see, there are no error messages during compilation. In this case, the developer should multiply the quantity of each item by its price and then add up the results to calculate the total price. Okay, developers, like anyone else, can make mistakes. For example, let's consider a developer working on a program that checks if someone is eligible to vote based on their age. In this case, a person must be 18 years or older to meet the voting eligibility. During the implementation, the developer mistakenly uses the greater than operator instead of the greater than or equal to operator when checking the age. When the age is set to 18 and the program is executed, we incorrectly get not eligible to vote. To fix this logic error, the developer should utilize the greater than or equal to operator. Okay, done. See you soon in the next lecture.